Troubleshooting your range hood. Most problems with range hoods relate to the build-up of grease and grime in the filters. So if your range hood is working but not filtering well, you will need to get a degreaser. These can be easily purchased from the supermarket. Simply fill the sink with hot water and degreaser. Drop the filter in and let the degreaser do all the work. The filter will come out sparkling clean in just a few minutes. Simply then rinse it off and replace it. If this does not work, or your filter looks like it needs replacing rather than cleaning, please contact the property manager for further assistance.